In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to eBay, guiding you through the entire process seamlessly. By following these steps, you will be able to integrate these two platforms efficiently, enhancing your online sales experience. First off, we'll begin by navigating to printify.com. Take your time to log in with your existing credentials. Now that you're inside, find your way to where your store is displayed. Click on your store name, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage My Stores. This area is where all the magic happens, allowing you to control and link your various sales channels. The next step is to click on the Connect button, an essential move that sets the integration process in motion. Once you've hit that button, a list of sales channels will appear before you. From this list, you'll want to select eBay. eBay is a powerful marketplace, and connecting it with Printify can significantly upscale your business opportunities. Navigating further, you'll have a choice to make. You can either create a new store or opt to use an existing Printify store. Whichever option suits your needs, make sure you choose one, then continue by clicking Connect. This step is crucial as it sets up the framework for the two platforms to synchronize data. If you don't already have an eBay account, now is the perfect time to create one. However, if you do have an eBay account, simply check the box that says I have an eBay account and click Continue. This acknowledgement is crucial. It ensures that you're ready to give Printify the required access to operate effectively with your eBay storefront. Next, granting Printify access to your eBay store is imperative. This allows Printify to manage and update listings on your behalf seamlessly, removing any manual hassle from your workflow and ensuring a smooth operational experience. Once access is established, it's time to set up or confirm your payment method on eBay. Check the box that states I add a payment method on eBay and proceed with Continue. Ensuring your payment method is properly set up guarantees that transactions can be processed without delay. As you move forward, be prepared to confirm eBay's business policies. Before you proceed, check the box that indicates I understand the required eBay business policies and click Continue. It's important to familiarize yourself with these policies to avoid any future roadblocks and operate your store smoothly. Congratulations, you've reached the home stretch. You've now linked Printify to your eBay store. This connection opens doors to streamline product listings and inventory management between the two platforms, effectively saving you time and maximizing your business's potential on eBay. With these steps completed, you're all set to enjoy the enhanced capabilities of your e-commerce setup. Thank you for joining today, and happy selling on eBay and Printify.